In the ever-evolving landscape of social media, keeping a positive online reputation is crucial for business across all industries. Today we're going to explore why review management is not just an option, but a necessity. On behalf of Napoleon Cat, welcome back. We're here to make sure your brand's reputation is safeguarded and elevated. I'm sorry, ChatGPT wrote that. Picture this, your brand and its essence, all at the mercy of online reviews. Positive or negative, they have a deep emotional impact on your team and stakeholders, but also on your reputation. Review management is more than just handling customer feedback. It's about curating your brand's narrative. It's a key move that's a huge part of your social media strategy. To see how important it is, let's look at some numbers. Over 99.9% of customers read reviews when they shop online. That's basically everybody. 49% of customers trust reviews as much as personal recommendations from friends and family members. 84% of millennials don't trust conventional advertising. 8 in 10 shoppers use their smartphones to look up product review while they're in the store. And 3.3 stars out of 5 are the lowest rating customers are likely to consider. Be aware. Now, the main challenge lies in the massive amount of platforms demanding attention. And this is where social media professionals get to panic. How do you effectively manage and respond to reviews scattered across Facebook, Google, Apple app stores, and more? Remember that negative reviews left unanswered can hurt your brand's image and make you lose your customers' trust. That translates in less sales. And of course, less money. So let me give you a couple of tips on how to start. First, pinpoint review sites to focus on. Depending on your industry and your customers, find where they hang out online and where do they leave reviews. Claim your business on Google and other important review sites. If you haven't yet, do it now. You can't do review management if you don't own the locations where your existing and potential customers leave and read reviews. Build a review management strategy. Yep, you need a plan. So make sure you establish who is responsible for managing and replying to reviews, how often they'll be checking them, have guidelines for responding to customers, processes for escalation, policies, etc. And what's really going to make a difference? Use review management software. Napoleon Cat offers you a solution to review management, not just for app reviews, but also for Google My Business, Facebook pages, and every comment across social media. And the benefits are huge. Imagine being there for all of your reviews and easily unifying them in one place. And the best part, you receive instant notifications across all platforms, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now you can respond to every review from a single dashboard. You can also integrate reviews into your customer service workflows and delegate tasks with a neat and organized ticketing. The positive outcomes are real. Improve customer trust, enhance brand image, and increase engagement. Napoleon Cat empowers you to reclaim confidence, achieve peace of mind, and take pride of your brand's online presence. Effortless impact, maximum return. I hope this video gives you a sense of how important it is to keep an eye on those reviews, and that now, with Napoleon Cat, they're an easy way to make sure you do. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Marcus, and I will see you next time. Cheers.